Culture can be broadly defined as characteristic features of a person's or group's everyday existence, such as shared values, attitudes, and practices. It is an essential part of the classroom, and culturally responsive practices are important. Teachers and students collaborate and share knowledge as it pertains to their unique identities and upbringings, thus contributing to culturally diverse and rich experiences. Culturally responsive teaching aims to intentionally connect student culture, language, and life experience to what they learned in school. In this way, teaching is made accessible and relevant to students through prior knowledge and shared experiences. This type of connection is especially important in online and blended environments, when authentic and collaborative experiences help maintain and sustain learner attention, engagement, and interaction. There are different strategies that teachers can use to make teaching culturally responsive. For example, they can begin classes by allowing students to recall their personal experiences and bring their own background to the lesson. This is a strategy called hook and anchor, where the stage is set for the lesson in a way that is collaborative and includes perspectives from everyone in the classroom. In this way, a feeling of community and contribution is fostered through techniques such as encouraging students to give real-world examples, sharing stories that are unique to them, and encouraging peer-to-peer interaction and highlighting similarities and differences when learning classroom content. Traditionally, students may simply receive information from a teacher, but by sharing and interacting with each other, they begin to consider multiple perspectives and diversity of experiences by listening and reflecting deeply on their own personal classroom-to-life connections. There are several strategies teachers can use to sustain culturally responsive teaching. For example, when teaching, they may evaluate and modify existing instructional material to include counter-stereotypical examples. Teachers can see if the names, places, cultural practices, and narratives used as examples in teaching or the recommended books and literature encompass a wide range of cultures. Teachers can supplement instructional materials with literature from other parts of the world and use examples which promote critical thinking, such as considering history, environmental issues, and famous people through multiple lenses and perspectives. Culturally responsive teaching also aims to promote critical reflection and introspection where biases are recognized, accounted for, and addressed. These biases may be based on gender, race, achievement, culture, language, religion, personal belief, and incomplete information about a person or situation. It is important to revisit and reflect on personal bias, intentionally moving towards mindfulness and understanding. Through this awareness, teachers can then work toward increasing empathy, eliminating incorrect perceptions, and encouraging respect and communication among all students in the classroom. Technology also plays a significant part in creating culturally inclusive environments. Teachers can reduce assumptions of student access and use of technology by determining who has access to technology resources and the levels of support available to each student, since it differs from home to home. For example, some homes may have many devices and technology-oriented support from parents and siblings, while in other homes, the technology access may be limited and support is not readily available. Language barriers may also be present in a home. Therefore, it is important to consider how the content is presented to students and families by offering multiple representations or more than one way of presenting information, such as audio, visuals, and text, while encouraging learning in more than one modality. Additionally, multiple means of engagement can be achieved through immersive simulations, role-playing, storytelling, and peer assignments. Culturally responsive teaching is essential for student and family engagement. By being aware of multiple perspectives and needs of diverse populations, teachers can provide equitable and inclusive online educational experiences. Teachers can provide information and resources that include relevant cultural contexts and languages, while encouraging students to leverage their culture and experiences through sharing stories. Teachers can also account for personal bias and providing opportunities for student reflection, while encouraging mindfulness, respect, and positive communication. Additional resources on culturally responsive teaching for blended and online learning are available on this webpage. Resources include a printable summary, related examples, articles, blogs, infographics, and videos, and links to other related blended and online teaching hub topics.